I will be taking a look at the UAG Plasma cases for the iPhone X. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I have the Urban Armor Gear, or UAG. This is the Plasma Case series. The ones I have is for the iPhone X. This is the Ice and Citron colors. There are other colors available online, and these cases will run you $30. I have the link in the description below, so let's take a look. The UAG Plasma series. Let's see some of the features. Its impact resistance, feather light, easy access to the buttons, anti-scratch, screen surround protection, glare-free flash, and this case is also wireless compatible. This is the Citron color. The case feels very light. It has a hard plastic back, feels very sturdy, and the sides are rubber. You can see that the buttons are covered, and the cutouts for the power and speaker. And the other side, buttons are also covered. And here's the top. Now let's see how it looks on the phone. Start off with one side here. Just give it a little push. Easy to install. Feels really nice in the hands. It's very slim. The back, you can see the Apple logo along with the UAG branding. And here is how the side looks. Again, the buttons are covered. The cutouts for the speaker and power are done nicely. And here's the other side. Button is also covered. Now the top view. And you can see that the bevel is raised, so you have adequate protection for your screen. Now looking at the camera, it has good protection also. It's recessed fairly well inside there. So let's go take a look at the Ice color. So here it is on the Ice. It looks really sleek on the phone. Everything's the same as the other one. Buttons covered on the side. Here's the bottom, the other side, top, and you can see that the bevel is raised. Very nice feel. The UAG Plasma Case for the iPhone X. If you want to preserve the look of your phone and still have that rugged protection, then this case is for you. I like that it provides decent grip, the transparent look on the back, and the availability of the various colors online. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.